Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am sharing Snickers cheesecake recipe with you. It's a no bake cheesecake. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this particular recipe, please do give a thumbs up. Snickers cheesecake. Now it is a no bake cheesecake. You can definitely make some changes into it. If you are not a fan of a Snickers, you can make it with Mars chocolate bar, you can make it with Toblerone chocolate bar. If you are not allergic to peanuts, you should definitely give it a try. One more variation that you can do is the base of the cheesecake. I am using chocolate cookies. If you do not like to use chocolate cookies for your base, you can use definitely the graham crackers or digestive biscuit. I'm going to write the whole recipe in description box of this video. You can check it from there. First thing, I'm going to prepare my cheesecake pan. I have taken a 6-inch spring foam pan, which means its base come out loose, the top come out loose. I'm going to use a baking paper because it helps the cheesecake to transfer and come out of the pan easily when it's done. This is our preparation of pan. I'm going to just put it aside. Now I'm going to prepare base of the cheesecake. After adding melted butter, it should resemble like wet sand. Now put all of this in the base of your cake pan. Use a bag of a spoon or any big measuring cup and press the cookie crumb down nicely so it stays firm and bind together. The base is done. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge and then we will start doing the filling. I'm going to use my stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can definitely use your hand beater. Take the cream cheese out of the fridge at least 15 to 10 minutes before you start making it so it's soft and easy to beat. Always scrape down the sides of your bowl to ensure everything is nicely mixed. Always sift your icing sugar before adding it. While the cream cheese is getting whipped, I am going to heat up this water and then I am going to dissolve the gelatin in it and set it aside to cool down. Now I am going to add the whisk attachment and whip up the mixture till it's fluffy. Chop a Snickers bar into small pieces. You will notice the mixture getting thick and stable. Once you see stiff peaks, then you should stop the beater and start folding chopped Snicker into the mixture. Transfer the filling in your prepared base. Make the surface straight with a spatula. Tap on the counter to have a smooth surface. Cover with cling film and refrigerate it overnight. Following day, run a knife through the edges and you can also use a glass. Take out the base out of the pan. Then gently transfer it to a plate by pulling off the baking paper. You can also make individual servings. Just top off with some melted chocolate and caramel sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the recipe. Please do provide your feedback in comment section. Take care. Bye.